Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can lock a specific app on iPhone. If you see it helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. First, find shortcuts. That's my shortcut. You can download if you don't have. Tap shortcuts. Then tap select. Search for action. Lock. Lock screen. Tap lock screen. Done. Here I added lock screen. Now tap automation. Tap plus sign. Search for apps. Tap it. Is open it. Run after confirmation. Just run immediately. Notify when run. Here you can choose. For example, I want to log books or Facebook or FIB account. Just done. Next. My shortcuts. Tab lock screen. Now it is added. Just go to your home page and